Hi folks, my name is Ray Hogan and that is my eBay member ID also. I've been on eBay for 13 years and have a 100% score. Today I'm going to show you an amp crimper that I have. It's a 69 656. There's no dash on this one. This is the base model. I picked it up used from someone. I'm not sure much about its history. It's got the ratcheting, it's working. I'll give you a closer look in a second and have some pictures up. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Let's take a look. Here's the model. See if I can get the light. 69 656. There's inside the head. There's the back. As you can see, it's locked. And then it opens up. I think this thing lists for about $1,200 on DigiKey. Feel free to ask any questions, ask for pictures, and maybe we can do a deal. I've been sitting on this for a few years. I'm not a motivated seller, so make a reasonable offer and maybe we can make a deal.